Hey, what's up everybody? It's Math at Home here. Today is going to be our second lesson and we're going to study page 166, which is going to be a practice part actually on our learner's book. So this session is not going to be a teaching session. It's going to be a practice session. So please grab your books and your copybooks and let's get it started. Okay, as you can see on page 166, we have a practice part related to translation. Starting from the first question, here are two more pictures that cannot go to the exhibition. Okay, about cannot go to the exhibition, it means they have problems in their translations. Explain what is wrong with each and draw the correct version. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute for this question to find the problem in the first one, and the second one also. And then we are going to analyze your answers and I will include my own answer. Take your time, please. Okay, so let's see for the first time, what is wrong with it? As I told you, we will start by choosing the corners. Okay, so I choose this one. I will go diagonally to the mirror line. Okay, 1, 2. I will go perpendicular to the mirror line. Okay, 1, 2. And I will continue the same distance on the other side. 1, 2. Do you think there is a problem with this one? We cannot understand. So let's choose another corner. Let's say this one. So 1, 2, perpendicular, 1, 2. Oh, wait a minute. This line actually is supposed to be here. But as you can see, this is drawn diagonal. So seems like it's false. Let's continue and try the other corners. With this one. So 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry for making jumps here because I thought if I draw on the lines, they're going to overlay and you're not going to see because you don't see my hand. So we have these lines here that connect to each other, and that was the line. Okay, let's go for this one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so obviously these two corners should connect to each other. Yes, so this is going to be our final shape. So actually the question itself had translated it, not reflected it. So if I erase all of these, you will see that the shape looks like this, not the other way. Let's go for the second one. So I choose this one, 1 and 1, perpendicular. Yes, this is the spot. So you can see that actually it's all wrong from the very beginning. So this is it, 1. These two lines, these two corners connect to each other, so I need to connect these as well. Okay. Let's go for this one. So 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, and 3. It'll be out here. These two connect to each other, so I need to connect these. So obviously, the only thing left is for me to connect this one to this one. So this is going to be the reflection of the triangle. That is brilliant. So actually here, what you see here, this is the translated shape. It's not reflected because, actually reflection is symmetric. And this line could be the line of symmetry. It means if you consider this as a, it means if you consider this one as a paper and you fold it from here, now this part should cover the other part because they are symmetric, right? Because this line is the line of the mirror. But as you could see, in the one that is done by the book, actually, which I mean this one, if you fold it from this line, they're not going to overlay each other. They're not going to cover each other. So it absolutely is false. So this is the true form, the true transformation. Let's go to question 2. Sketch one reflection picture of your own that can go in the exhibition, which means it is true, and one reflection picture that cannot go into exhibition. Okay, then this one means it's false. I'll give you 1 minute to come up with your own picture, one with a true reflection and one with a false reflection, please. Okay, so for this one, I will need a pale white paper. That's good. Okay, for the one that can go, I could have, let's see if I can make a pegboard with this one. Yeah, I'll try my best. So the first one is going to be the correct form, and the second one is going to be the false form. I need one more column here. Oops, I think I went a little bit far from the other one. I don't know why I cannot. Oh yeah, I erased it. All right, so let's give it a try. For the correct one, I would say this is my shape. And this is my, I'm sorry. And this is my mirror line. Okay, let's say, starting from this one, half and half, half and half, these two connect. So actually I don't, oops. Let's have them back. Okay, so for the other one, I'm gonna have 1, 2 and half, half, 1 and 2. Hopefully it was enough. So the other one is going to be right next to it. So let's connect these. I told you in the lesson that you don't need to go and trace all the corners. You can actually guess. So you see this one is one below this one. So I can go one below and that is it. So the other one's going to be this way and the other one is going to be this way. So this is the true reflection of this shape over the mirror line, and it is this. So let's try another one, which is false. Okay, so we say the one that can't go. Okay, I'll have the pegboard again. I'm sorry if they are not equally distributed because I try my best doing it with hand, and yeah, that's enough, I think. Okay, let's choose a shape like this one. Okay, a triangle. And let's say my mirror line is this. Okay, so this is supposed to be here. I'm sorry. Okay. Now, this is supposed to be a wrong reflection. So I'm going to copy this shape exactly the way it is to the other side. And let's say in a random place. I want to put it here. Okay. So this is a very wrong reflection. Wrong reflection. Because as you could see, for example, let's say if we were about to do it in a correct way, so it was 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it was supposed to be here. So this corner was supposed to be here, while it's here now. So it's completely false. Therefore, the final answer is the incorrect form as the question is asking for it. So that is enough. Let's see. Question 3. Here are some other paintings in the exhibition. The paintings are moved each week. The grid shows the position of the paintings in week 1 and 2. Describe the translation of each painting from week 1 to week 2. So, generally talking, this is about week 1, the position of the photos in week 1, the paintings. And this is the position of paintings in week 2. I'm going to give you a quick hint. Then I will leave you on your own, giving you some time to figure it out. See, if you want to trace the translations, let's say, for example, about this square, I want to start from this corner, all right? What is the x? 2. And y? 9. So x2, y9. So x2, let's go to week 2. x2, y9. Okay, so actually this corner, let's call it A. The corner A was here. But now it is here. You know what I'm saying? It means using only one corner, it's enough because the shape in a whole part moves as all the corners together. So it's enough for you to choose one corner and trace it. So here, it's moved here now to point B, here. So let's see how many steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So actually, square A, I think I will need, yeah, I will need it. So actually, square A moved. How many steps was it? I forgot it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 to right. And this is the direction for square A. Now, I need you to find the translations for the triangle, the rhombus, and the parallelogram for B and C and D, please. Okay, let's try it for B. In B, for example, I choose this corner. It is x7, y7. Okay, let's see. x7, y7. Okay, it's here. So let's call it A. A was here before. Now it's here. Let's see, what is the direction? 1, yes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So triangle translated 6 steps downwards. Triangle B, let's call it. Let's go for C, the rhombus. I will choose this one. So you need to be careful. Whatever you choose on this shape, it should be the exact same corner on the other side. For example, if you choose this one from here, you cannot go and choose the other one from this one, you know? So the corresponding corner for this one is this corner, the bottom one. So you should go for the bottom one on both of the shapes. Let me erase it to make it a little bit clear here. Okay, so I choose the bottom corner on both sides. Let's see, what is it here? We have 3, 3. Okay, let's go. 3 and 3. Yes, it's already here. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 up, 1 right. So about the rhombus, we have 4 up and 1 right. About the, what is left? A parallelogram. About the parallelogram, about D, so about parallelogram D, and the rhombus was C, right? Yes. Okay, so about the parallelogram, I will choose the very left corner. Okay, let's say it is 7, 2. Okay, where is 7, 2, 7, 2? So it means before it was here. Now it's here. So let's see what is the translation. Obviously, it's 1 up and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. So here we're going to have 1 up. How many left? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 left. So these are the answers. Describe the translation of each painting from week 1 to week 2. We did it. Part B. On week 3, painting A is translated 3 squares left and 5 squares down from its position in week 2. What are the coordinates of each vertex of the painting? All right, let's do it. I might do it on the same grid paper. Yeah, it's going to be convenient. Let me erase it a little bit and choose a different color to make it obvious for you to understand. I think blue might be okay. Okay. Let's see. I think we don't need this one anymore. Okay. So about about this A, we have 3 squares left, 5 squares down. Okay, let's go. I pick this corner. 3 left, 5 down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's here. About this one, we say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's here. So as you could see,